Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the recipe for the Eggless Chocolate Marble Cookies that are light, crispy and easy to make. In a large bowl, sift together 1 cup all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon baking powder. Keep aside. In another bowl, take 100 grams unsalted butter at room temperature. Add in half a cup powdered sugar. Whisk with a hand mixer until light and fluffy. Add in half a teaspoon vanilla essence. Gently fold in the flour mixture in batches. Until the dough begins to come together. Transfer to a flat surface. Divide the dough into 2 equal portions. Add in 2 teaspoons cocoa powder to one of the portions and mix it well. Now roll out the dough into loaves of equal size. Place them side by side. Overlap and twist them alternatively to form a log. Shape it into a square log. Wrap it in a plastic wrap and freeze for about 15 minutes until firm. Unwrap the firm dough. In the meantime, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Cut it into pieces of 1/4 inch thickness. Line the baking tray with parchment paper or grease it well. Arrange the cookies. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly browned. Allow them to cool. The Eggless Chocolate Marble Cookies are ready to serve. Enjoy with a hot cup of tea or coffee. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.